What is meditation? We can simplify the meaning of meditation like this. Meditation is mind and body agreement, or otherwise we can say meditation is body and mind agreement. There may be various meditation techniques. Whatsoever, all techniques lead us to the same point. That point is to get the agreement or to make an agreement between body and mind. If your body works out of control, that is not meditation. Therefore, if we can control our body using our mind power, that becomes meditation. Therefore, we have to use meditation techniques to get the agreement between body and mind. There are various meditation techniques. However, some people prefer some techniques and others prefer their own techniques. In Buddhist meditation, there are many powerful techniques to come into the deep trance, in a relatively short period of time. This is one of the most advanced meditation techniques. This is one of the most fruitful and most advanced and easiest meditation techniques found anywhere. This is one of the most powerful meditation techniques practiced by the monks in Tibet. This is called meditation of vibration. Meaning of the vibration is when we say or when we utter the same statement, our body vibrates. Because of that vibration, our body naturally tranquilizes. After the tranquilization, we can stay in the deep trance. We have to recite this statement repeatedly. Om Mani Padme Hum. This technique should be repeated in proper manner, in a specified speed and in a specified sound, like this. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. When you recite that term Om Mani Padme Hum, you will feel that your body start to vibrate. Within 2 to 5 seconds, you will experience the body vibration. When you feel body vibration, continue the meditation. After the continuation, you will feel that your body vibrates completely. When the full body vibrates, you can stop uttering that statement. Stay calm and quiet, and then stop thinking about anything, and then finally you will come to a very deep trance. Try to lengthen the time you stay in the trance. Most probably in the first day or in the first sitting, you will be able to come into a very deep trance. That is the miracle of Buddhist meditation. Using this meditation, Buddhist monks in Tibet can float their body, or otherwise they can levitate their body in sky. This is one of the most powerful meditation techniques.